Shooting white background pictures of women's underwear hanging on the transparent fishing line of the styling rack. Loosen this butterfly nut to adjust the width of the hanger. Tighten the nut to fix the width. This is the damping angle adjuster, which can adjust the waist width inclination. The side telescopic rod can adjust the length. If you shoot very short side underwear, you can also remove the telescopic rod. Replace it with a short nut. The middle telescopic rod can adjust the crotch height. There are multiple nuts in the crotch, which can adjust the crotch width. If you shoot boxers, you can replace it with a flat leg pant crotch. This silicone head can be used to pierce needles to fix the pants, which is very practical. We give you waist foam sheet, which can increase the three-dimensional effect of waist.